Wow, thank you so much. Baby, you're really big already.
What?
You're really big already. Thank you so much.
Hindi kunog ba yung kanero?
Go dead.
If there's no blood anymore,
Yeah.
oh,
Well, I do have blood.
so you're not dead. Where's your blood?
Inside me.
Inside you.
Yeah, but it can way down your hip.
So your head doesn't have blood?
My head doesn't have blood because under it is my blood. If there's so many blood vessels there, there's like it's gonna be moved like a body or eyeball.
But remember, when you had scars here, wound
There is
here,
blood.
there was blood.
No, if all of them, that's just a little bit.
A little bit only. Ah, what happened to you?
I was still alive when the blood came out.
You're still alive.
Because all of them has to go out like that.
Don't.
Ah, but not all of them went out your body, no? There's still a few. There's few.
Going
No,
downstairs.
I mean there's more.
There's more inside your body. That's why you're still alive?
Yeah.
Yeah.